RCS prides itself on the quality of its educational programs, the professionalism of its staff, the enthusiasm of its students, and the high level of support provided by parents and community members. The school motto clearly states, a tradition to excellence. The school logo denotes, the pen denotes self-expression and communication. The Oxford cap denotes the step-by-step evolution of the student and achieving levels of expertise. The sprig of olive leaves is undoubtedly the catalyst of peace. It denotes the vitality of coexistence.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arya Fahad. I study in class 4th. It is my team. She is Sifra, Asmin, Naima, Adiba and Amna. He is Abdulaziz and Hadik. We present my project. Our topic is food component. Food is necessary for our body. We cannot survive even a single day. Our body grow and repair by the food. Food gives us energy to work. Plant and animal are our source of food. Food is different types of food. Food is made up of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral and water. Profit. Thank you. The first component of food is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body. They are made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Rice, wheat, cauliflower, broccoli, bread, carrots, potato, bananas and etc. are good sources of carbohydrates. Thank you. The second component of food is fat. Fat are obtained from plant as well as animal like carbohydrates. Fat are also made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They provide more energy than carbohydrates. Milk product, fish, chicken, egg and etc. Thank you. The third component of food is protein. Protein help us to grow big and strong. Food that contains proteins are called bodybuilding food. Growing children need more proteins than elders. Proteins also help in repairing damaged cells. Milk product, egg, milk, pulses, fish, nuts, meat are rich sources of proteins. Brown rice that contains more proteins than white rice. Thank you. Vitamin is the fourth component of food. Vitamin help our body to fight against disease and stay healthy. There are many types of vitamins. Vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. They are present in green vegetables, fruit, coconut, brinjal, mango, lychee, apple, orange, tomato, capsicum, grapes. Thank you.
The fifth component of food is minerals. Minerals are those elements on the earth and in food that our bodies need to develop and function normally. These essential for health include calcium, sodium, iodine and potassium. Its sources are pickles, nuts, crab, burger, onion and etc. Thank you.
the six components of food. Roughage is a part of food from plants. It helps to remove waste from our body. Roughage helps to digest and get rid of undigested food. Its sources are carrot, kiwi, pineapple, orange, guava. Thank you. The last component of food is water. Water is essential for the proper functioning of our body. Our body is made up of 70% water. By weight, we cannot live without water. Water helps in removing waste product from the body, maintaining blood circulation. Its formula is H2O. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Aima Dilshad. I study in 5th standard. Sumaira Talat and Muhammad Rayyan are my teammates. We are going to present our presentation on the topic water around us. Water is our basic need. We need it to live and keep our body temperature stable. We need it to digest food, and it's important for our brain to work properly. Earth has a lot of water covering 2/3 its surface. 70% of human body consists of water. Next slide. These are contents. Physical properties of water that relate to its appearance include its color, shape, taste, and odor. Water is indeed unique that it is colorless, tasteless, and odorless in its purest form. It is determined by our sense, like we can feel it water, hot or cold, by touching it. We can see if water clean or has a color. Water has a smell, we can smell it, and we can taste water. Water doesn't have a taste, but if it does, there's something else in it. Further will be explained by Sumaira.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Sumaira Talat and I am going to explain types of impurities in water. First is soluble impurities and second is insoluble impurities. Soluble impurities are substances that can dissolve in water. For example, when we stir a sugar into water, it disappears because it dissolves. That means the sugar mixes completely with the water and we can't see it anymore. Salt does the same thing. Insoluble impurities are material that don't mix with water. Just like when we add sand to water, the sand does disappear because it stays as tiny grains. These grains don't become part of the water like sugar or salt. Salt would instead they either float on the top or settle at the bottom of the container. So to purifying this kind of water, there are several methods. Of them will are discussed here. First method is filtration. Impure water allows to flow through it or a muslin cloth. The filter paper allows to flow through it, but the water is a container. Next is sedimentation and decantation. In this method, impure water in a container allows to stand still for some time. Sedimentation and decantation. This process is called sedimentation, and gently poured into water is called decantation. Chlorine is added to water. Chlorine kills most of the microorganisms, germs, and present it. Make it safe for composition. Further will be explained by Rayyan.
Hello everyone, I am Rayyan and I am going to explain uses of water. Water is super important for many things. Water is used to home for many everyday activities like bathing, watering the garden, cooking, etc. In industries, water plays several roles like manufacturing to cool machinery for cleaning and processing for various materials, etc. And water is the backbone of agriculture. It is used irrigation, livestock and aquaculture, etc. This is conclusion. Acknowledgement. We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude Maria ma'am and Adiba ma'am, as well as our principal ma'am, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic water around us, which also helped us in doing a lot of research, and we come to know about so many new things. We really thankful to them. Secondly, we would also like to thank my friend who helped me a lot in finishing this project within the limited time. It helped us increase our knowledge and skills. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Asra Afreen. I study in class 6 and there are my teammates Iffat Faisal and Zuhair Talat. I am here to represent our topic for this presentation is air around us. About the air. Air is a mixture of gases on the earth. It occupies space and has mass. Air is colorless, tasteless, odorless. It dissolves in water and can be compressed. The moving air is called wind. These are contents. Now I will request my teammate Iffat to explain further.
Good morning everyone. My name is Iffat Faisal. I study in class 3rd. I am here to explain atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by envelope of air known as atmosphere. Atmosphere is divided into 5 parts. Layer of atmosphere, troposphere, it is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. It is densest part of atmosphere. Troposphere, it is the layer of the earth. The ozone layer which protect us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun, also lies in The atmosphere, it is the fourth layer. It is the third layer of the atmosphere. It is the coldest layer. Thermosphere, it is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. It is very thin and very hot. Exosphere, it is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. Thank you. Now I will request my teammate Zuhair for explain further.
Good morning all of you. My name is Zuhair Talat and I am here to explain composition of air. Air is a mixture of several gases constituents of air. Nitrogen about 78%, oxygen about 21%, the remaining 1% is carbon dioxide, argon, helium, dust and water vapor. Nitrogen is chief constituent of air. It makes portion molecules which are present in tissues of all living beings. It is used to manufacture fertilizer, and this fertilizer to provide nitrogen plant and animals. Oxygen life supporting gas. Water vapor and dust. The water present in air in its gaseous state. Water vapor present. The amount of water vapor present in air is known humidity. Air contains dust particles. The amount of dust particles in air varies from place to place and from time to time. Now Asra will explain to further.
Hello, I am here to explain uses of air. Air is used for respiration. Compressed air is also used in brakes to stop a train. Air is used in the process of winnowing. Compressed air is used in machines which are used for digging and crushing stones. Air pollution. Air pollution refers to any physical, chemical or biological change in air which make the soil impure. It is the combination of air by harmful gases, dust and smoke which affect plants, animals and human beings. Air pollution can cause many respiratory diseases such as cough and asthma. How to control air pollution? Step to control air pollution: plant more trees, reuse and recycle garbage. Instead of burning it, use bicycles and public transport instead of private vehicles as much possible. Thank you.